I got it back. I got it back. I got it back broken, but I got it back. So this is my truck. I missed a spot when I vacuumed. Good grief. And they got everywhere. I swear, this hose was off. This was full. Thankfully, I put a K&N filter in it years and years and years ago. And they destroyed it, but they didn't get past it, so that's good. No mice in the turbocharger. This is just astounding. Every single blade has a chunk missing because the idler broke, and apparently someone just kept driving it. So I got that off. I got all the acorns vacuumed up that I could find, except that spot in the hood. I'm not even going to touch it with my bare hands. Get some gloves for that. Looks like I missed a little bit in there, but I'll get it. Just went to the parts store and spent an enormous amount of money for a new idler, new tensioner, oil, antifreeze, filters. I'll get there. I have to order the belt online, I guess. But this has not seen the road in a very long time. Looks like I gotta vacuum that too. Oh boy. Can't even see that with my naked eye. It comes out in the camera pretty good though. Anyway, here's my truck. Cab dually. XLT. This, I don't know what the hell they're thinking. I don't know which way is off on this. It's 3 positions. Oh, there's a spider. They took my trailer brake control out and they put this in to try to fix the transmission that was bad when I sold it. I told them about it. I mean, what the hell? What they were thinking of that? Because that don't work. Well, this won't work in it. That's kind of weird. There's another one up there. I don't know why that's stuck. But, yep, I got it back. The back seat. It's a nice, clean truck. A couple little things, but for 30 years old. It's not bad. I'm going to restore it. Found some friends in there. Missing a wiper. I took the arm off so it wouldn't scratch the brand new windshield. But yep. This is my new project, folks. New project. Looks like I'm going to have to do something with that. I'm missing some seals. This one's no good. Not bad. It took about an hour. Scraped the black off. Made it white again. Came home missing an eye. We'll get her going. I guess the next video will probably be with that back on. I got it all vacuumed out. I gotta look up to see where the hell am I aiming? Gotta see where some of the pieces that came off go back on. pretty sure I got to put that top one on first, then the bottom one. This belt's all right, but going this far, probably reuse it. That looked bad to me. Not even cracked. I think I probably changed that right before I sold it 8 years ago. 3,000 miles they put on it before they destroyed it. Transmission's got to come out. I'm hoping it still runs. Either way, it's going to get fixed. So, till the next one.